It's time to breathe, bend, and stretch.
Wow, this is some weather we're having today. It's raining cats and dogs out here. What do you mean? It can't rain cats and dogs. I know that's not a real thing. It's called an idiom. An idiom is something that says one thing and means something completely different, but everybody still gets it. Kind of like a piece of cake means it's easy to do something. Come on, let's go to the map. Here's what you'll need for your practice. You'll need some space so that you can move around. You'll want to have some water so that you stay hydrated. And you can grab your yoga mat and put it out. But if you don't have one, don't worry. It's totally fine to practice without one. Let's look at the poses we're doing today. We're doing puppy pose, downward facing dog pose, and cat pose. And we will do tiger pose. Come down on your hands and your knees. And we're going to go into something called puppy pose. So puppy pose is a little bit different than active child's pose because you keep your hips up and you walk your arms forward. So keep your hips directly over your knees, like I have mine here, and then walk your hands forward and move your chest and your chin towards the floor. You've all seen puppies play in this position. They come into this pose all of the time. We should wag our puppy tails back and forth, back and forth. And then stillness, holding your puppy pose. Can you feel that wonderful stretch? No wonder they do it. Opening up the chest and the shoulders, stretching all through your ribs. Good. And then slowly come back up. Now, what do puppies grow up into? Oh, I remember. Dogs. Let's tuck the toes under, take a deep breath in, and then exhale, lift into your down dog. Move your feet back a little bit so you have the proper distance in your down dog. Spread the fingers open and let's walk our dogs. Taking those dogs on a walk, pedaling the feet left and right, left and right. And then hold your down dog. Taking one more deep breath here. Good. Come down onto your knees. And it's raining cats and dogs. Cat pose. Spread your fingers open wide. Realign. Knees under hips. Shoulders over wrists. Feet behind your knees. Deep in breath. And then tuck that tailbone under and round your back just like a cat. Inhale breath, spine toward the mat. Just stretching through the other way. And then exhale breath, rounding your back just like a cat. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Tuck the tail, round, round, round. Go a little bit further than you did the last time. Inhale and exhale. Round, round, round through the spine. And then bring it to neutral. Beautiful. Let's do one of our big cat poses. Tiger. So there's not just little cats or little dogs. There's also big cats and big dogs. We're going to do our big cat pose, tiger pose. So we're going to keep our left hand down and raise our left leg. Take your right hand, reach back and grab hold of your left foot. Oh, this is a big pose. This is a little more challenging than just the plain cat pose, isn't it? Good. And then release from there. And we'll do the other side. Big cat tiger pose. Right hand stays down, right leg lifts up, and we reach back and we grab hold of that foot. Oh my goodness, this feels fantastic. I wonder if big cats feel this fantastic all the time. And release. It must be wonderful to be a powerful creature like that.
You did a really great job today. Now it's time to rest. Lie down on your back. Bring your arms down by your sides. Extend your legs out long. Relax your feet. Relax your hands. Close your eyes and feel your breath as your belly rises and falls. Feel all of the emotions and the energy in your body and your mind. Keep breathing and relaxing. Just notice that the thoughts will come in your mind and that the thoughts will leave just like your breath comes in and out. Notice that emotions will rise and your emotions will also gently fall away. When we lie and rest, and we allow ourselves to relax and feel, we learn the truth of who we are, what we think, what we love. Let yourself enjoy relaxing and resting and just being. Now we're going to take a very deep breath in. Wiggle your fingers and toes as you exhale. Gently open your eyes and roll to the side. Press yourself up.
I am so glad that you decided to practice with me today. When it's raining outside, sometimes people will say, "Oh, it's really sad," or "It's so miserable." Not necessarily. We have to have all kinds of weather, and the rain is really necessary. The water and the sun working together to help everything grow, beautiful life on this planet. So we can do things inside, like practice yoga. Life is always presenting us with opportunities. Well, friends, it looks like the weather has cleared up. The sun came out. I really enjoyed practicing with you today. Until next time, bye.